Hello everyone, good day. In today's video, I'll show you how can you set your reading settings in your WordPress site. That means in your WordPress site, you want to make any page to your default home page. How can you set that? So let's get started. First of all, I will click a new WordPress site from Install WP dashboard. Now I will log in to that site. So let's say you have many posts, or you may have many pages. Let's say all the posts and pages here. So these are the two pages I am available here. Here is available. This one is draft page. Let's make it published. Click on publish. Publish this page also. So this is my page, and let's say there is one post, single post, hello world post. Okay, let's say you want to make this page as your home page, or you can or let's say you want to make this is as your home page. How can you do that? Okay, first of all, if I go to my site right now, this is my home page. Okay, this is my home page. Now I want to change that. I have to go to the settings area, and in reading section here, in settings and reading, see your home page displays. There is a setting called your home page displays. You may show your latest posts, blog post to your home page, or you can define a static page from below. Mark it. You can define any page. All the pages will be available here in this section. You can make anything as your home page. Let's say I want to make my privacy policy page as home page. I will click on it. I will click on save changes. That's it. Now if I go to my site again, see my privacy policy page is my home page. Okay, or let's say you want to make this hello world post to your home page. Just go to the reading settings again. Let's say post page. See, this is not available. So what you can do, post page as let's say post page, all the pages is available here, and all the pages is also available here. So this in your hello world post is not available that, so you can't make a post page to your home page. Okay, so first of all, if you want to make any page or post as your home page, first of all create a page about that post or page, then assign it from here. Okay, so I think this video will be this is a short video and it can be helpful to you. Okay, so that's all for today. I will see you in next one. Bye.